how do you guys define the importance of maybe prior success and like work that they've done? How would you recommend for job seekers how they can actually tailor their resume to really speak a story about their actual results that they've done, rather than just, like you mentioned, saying, "Oh, I worked at a company for 10 years." Okay, so what? What did you do for those people?
For sure. I think that, and it is always a challenge whenever you try to redo your resume. First, most people will procrastinate for quite some time. Thankfully, I think AI helps a lot to get those ideas going. And it might just be to have a conversation with AI to be like, here's my experience, doing this job, and I'll take the babysitter for another second. Like, here's what I was doing: planning activities, managing crisis, change a plan or hospital visit, or like whatever it is, managing two parents. And discussing that and being like, help me find what the skills are, so that after that you can build that, because yes, within the resume, but you all also prepare for that first interview. So how can you display, there's often contextual interviews, so like, how can you display this skill set within an example that's measurable and that the person will relate to within their environment? So I think it's very much double downing on that skill set. And like we were saying, the soft skills are really, I think, what can make the difference for a lot of the jobs.